Good morning! It's time to make some porridge. First we take half liter of water, steaming hot, boiling hot, hot as water. And then we take some havreflingor, one deciliter. Two deciliters, a bit more just for good measure. We are making porridge and soup. Add some salt and take a spoon, whisk it around a bit. We take some orange berries. They taste like shit, but they're healthy. And once again, we take some Grandad's limps. And shredded shit. And whisk it around again. And next we add some one blending salt logs. It's like 100 grams. And whisk it around again. And after that, we are going to make some coffee while we are waiting for the porridge to porridge up. Porridge-ize. Yeah, while we are waiting for the porridge to porridgeify. At the end, stick it in. Get some thyme. Fuck it up in your hand. In goes the thyme. And then we take some Swedish Skånerost. Kraftiga smaktig mörkroastat kaffe. Classics of omtyckat sammakkoposition arabica rostade baseriden var även med högflundra bönor från Latinamerika. Karvmörkröst med behälkt fruktiden. I bet some Polish guy will understand what I just said. And because it's mörk roast, we are going to make it mörk. Us Swedes, we like it mörk. And then we pour actually have to multitask a bit. Keep your porridge stirred. pour some more. You need around half liter of water. Ooh, baby, do you know what's that bird? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. The same heaven, what comes first? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. The porridge is starting to seem like it's porridged up. Just one more minute or so. And then we bring back the stove. I mean, it's kind of controversial, I guess. But Karjala is Karjala. Haven't seen the Karjala beer for a while. I'm missing the taste of stögis. And we have some milk. Fucking amazing. Southern European beaches can drink their espresso with milk. I drink my milk roast with milk. I mean, I don't get it. Why would someone want to like have 10 centiliters of milk? I mean, 10 centiliters of coffee and fucking glass full of milk. What are you, a baby? To be completely honest, I will drink titty milk all day. And because we love green things, we take some more time. And we add the thyme. And I'm missing a key ingredient here. Which is Kanye senap. And here it is. A perfect porridge. We are all going to make it, brother.